Here we will see advanced subqueries in SQL Server. Subqueries offer an efficient way to write complex queries, and advanced methods that are used for handling hierarchical data exist. These are recursive subqueries, combining subqueries with window functions, using subqueries with case statement, and subqueries with aggregate functions for conditional aggregation. First is recursive subqueries. Recursive subqueries, which are also known as recursive common table expression or CTE, allow user to retrieve hierarchical data such as organizational structure, product categories, or graph-based relationship where each item in the data is linked to another. For example, suppose you have a table employees with field employee ID, manager ID, and employee name, and if you want to retrieve the hierarchy of employees under a specific manager, you can use recursive subqueries. Then combining subqueries with Windows functions. Subqueries can be used to refine the dataset that Windows function act on, which makes them useful for ranking, cumulative totals, and moving averages. For example, if you want to rank the products by sales within each region, you can use a subquery to select the relevant data and then apply a window function for ranking. Using subqueries with case statements. Combining subqueries with case statements can help user to apply complex conditions based on dynamic calculations. For example, to classify products as high, medium, or low performance based on their sales relative to average sales for their category, we can use subqueries with case statement. Then subqueries with aggregate functions for conditional aggregation. You can calculate conditional aggregates using subqueries within aggregate functions. For example, if you want to calculate the total revenue generated only by the active customers, you can use aggregate functions for conditional aggregation. For this, first retrieve all active customers with subquery and then pass this result to calculate the total revenue from these groups.